Oh, I lied. It's all balls.
It has been 3 days. Ow!
Oops. Do what you're told. Ah! Yeah, one more file we can try.
It's gonna be a rod to the side of the block issue here in a minute.
Don't be shy. Let's go to Lazarus's grave and wake him up. So this tire's been leaking on this thing since I got it, and it's driving me nuts. And I was looking at putting inner tubes in these tires, but they're all dry rotted and cracked, so I just got new tires for it. So let's get them off and changed. Here. Bead is broken, tire is clamped down. New Suzuki. You guys want to see the part number? Oh, I lied. It's not Suzuki. It's All Balls. So that's fine. All Balls is really good. I use their bearings a lot. Done a lot of their wheel bearings over the years. They're great. I can link it in the description too. Comes with a new wing nut, stud, and spring. I'm going to take those off for routing it so I don't lose them. I'll put them in my pocket and lose them. outside. There's the hole in the skid plate. Oh, that's good.
What happened?
I'm gonna need, oh. I'm gonna need some kitty litter. She's full of gas. What?
Why do you have Vaseline here? This flat has like lower front lid and skid away from the wheels because it actually rubs so much.
20s that they have brushed bits that aren't black. Thought it was metal. Oh, it came with an O-ring. Amazing.
Said show this to Stevie Wonder and see if he's offended.
He was just asking me why I have Vaseline here. Vaseline's very dense and sticky. It's essentially assembly lube without any of the dyes or detergents in it. So I couldn't get this O-ring to stay in there. It's very tacky. So I filled it up full of Vaseline and put the O-ring in there. It'll also keep the rubber in the O-ring moisturized and healthy, and it'll last many moons to come. That's basically full, so we're gonna leave that there until we can start it and fill that oil filter up. I got this John Deere a couple of years ago because I was sick of push mowing my sister's lawn, and it's been sitting in the garage since the middle of last summer. I had a tie rod end pop off on it. It's wired back on, so then I could just get it back to the garage, but now it won't start, so tear it apart, see what's going on with it, get it running, and then we can sell it. Crazy. Pull the battery out, threw it on the charger. Can't really try to start it with a dead battery. You get that tie rod changed, you need to check the oil, make sure there's gas in it, etc., etc. I know what's wrong with it. Or why? That's crazy. How does this work? You just put oil in it until it stops, or? Oh, it's not even tight. Ow! Bit me. Thing that's leaking oil everywhere. It needs to be over tightened. There. One problem down. They running it all summer with no oil in it? Would it hurt anything?
What?
That wouldn't be why it wouldn't start though, right? Okay, well, there was a mild incident. Oops. Never fear. I have one of these. That's gonna go like that. That is straight as a cucumber. Okay, I got that rigged up. Cut! Got that rigged up in some angle iron. It'll hold the 2 bolts straight.
Oh, come on.
And then this littler one, I had to throw some washers in there to space it out. Do what you're told. Ah! Alright, so we got our jam nut on there, got our tie rod on there. There's literally nothing left to do except put it back together. This guy just bolts up in here like so. I'm gonna get that done and I'll come back to you. Oh, that's cute. Hang on. I have one more file we can try. I have one more file we can try to make that go in.
You better gun that thing on there like it's cross-threaded.
Uh-oh. Ow! One thing I noticed is that you probably can't see is that the front of the deck sits quite a bit lower than the back of the deck. I'm gonna raise, well actually that guy's gonna get lowered to the bottom hole. That guy's gonna get raised to the top hole. Ow. Ow. Oops. Ow. Fuel issue. Definitely a fuel issue.
It's gonna be a rod to the side of the block issue here in a minute. Keep force feeding it fresh air.
Okay. Clearly, we have a fuel issue. Okay, so that's the in. This is the out. Let's start back here, shall we? Don't be shy. Okay. I don't think this is the issue, but there's no clamp here and this is super loose and my heart's telling me if it's sucking air right here, it's not gonna have very good fuel pressure. This is a little diaphragm pump and I don't know if it's pumping or if it's just a diaphragm. Some fuel was squirting out, but nothing to write home about. It's what the followers were complaining to Jesus about when he wanted to raise Lazarus from the dead. He's like, hey, let's go to Lazarus' grave and wake him up. And they were like, Lord,
It's 90 degrees outside. Surely it's stinking.
They said it just like that, huh?
It has been 3 days.
well, that's a wrap on that one. Steering's all fixed, oil's checked, it's got gas in it, blades work, starts right up, battery's charged. I just took some pictures of it. We'll get it posted online and get it out of here.